share, and subscribe. Turn on those notification bells for future videos. We also have a Patreon. Head on over. Check out our merchandise and become a premium patron.
Alright, so I'm changing the oil. I need to do it on both sides, change the oil on the oil filters. It's normal, it's primitive maintenance. Let's get it done.
Good.
What are you doing?
Cleaning this bilge.
Well, you're cleaning out the bilges with bleach?
Yeah, I just got that one done. Well, there's a couple pieces that I'm trying to get off, but I done cleaned that and then I head back to that.
So what all have you done so far?
Well, if you come here and look, I'm gonna get up real quick. I've done that. Most pieces over there, it's not coming off for some odd reason, so I'm gonna go down there and bleach it all off. Get a scan with the rag, bleach it on the rag.
Yeah, here's some more wiring that the decrepit wiring that I'm gonna have to remove eventually, but we did have the honor of installing that device right there. That is an automated water pump for the shower, so we don't have to press no button to drain our shower. We just take a normal shower and let her drain, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So it's coming all right?
Yeah.
Good. Oh, I'm glad, man.
Almost done. And then I have to go to clean 2 more bilges.
Bilges. There we go.
Go ahead. Take your baby for a ride. Push your stroller. Push it. No, don't take your baby out.
Go over there. Go walk. Go walking.
1, 2.
Get your baby. Go push your baby. Bye-bye.
Delaney, bye-bye. Ryan, get over here.
Yeah, there they are right there. They're right there. Manatees. Yeah, there's 2 over there. You can see the discoloration from them.
Whoa! Whoa!
Wow, they're big. Big old manatees, huh? Isn't that neat?
Yeah!
1, 2, 3, yeah, there's 3 of them.
Whoa!
Yeah, there's 3.
You guys want to go down real quick?
We got the pleasure of joining these 2 for dinner, and it was amazing. He's a Vietnam veteran, had a lot of stories, great company, and they love the kids.
Set it.
Oh, meet you guys downstairs.
Okay, let him go to the bathroom, that's fine. Started it. I don't know if I bumped here or not.
You got everything? Right?
Yeah, I got it.
You got your phone?
Man, this cart is toast. It's like lifting up in it. Thread lock, something that doesn't back out. A lot of vibration on engines. Doesn't take much, it just takes a little bit. Oops, comes out of here quick apparently. What you need to do is hold these in place, just like that. Okay. Make sure it's in there. Hold on.
Alright. Can we move this bucket?
Yeah, you can. That's fine. Okay, that one fits in there better. Oops. See that?
Yep.
Fits like a glove, right?
Mm-hmm. Mean puzzle.
Glove puzzle, whatever you want to call it, yeah. Just make sure you're videoing good. Before you go tightening anything down, Kill, you always want to make sure that you have everything on correctly.
Yeah, that would end up bad if you don't have it tight down, right?
Well, you don't want to go wrenching something down. If it's on wrong, you might break it, right?
That too.
Supposed to have that much space. So this is me double checking. So this is what you gotta do. Don't shake that camera around too much.
Come on.
Okay. So that's how it sits on there, right?
Yeah.
Makes sense. But I'm gonna go ahead and put it on in like 3 different ways so I can spread this grease around. Boom. Grease is all spread around. Maybe come back. cone that has your castle nut and everything else. That's what this is. It's really dirty. We're gonna eventually get a new cone because I'm not liking the looks of this one. I mean, it's not the end of the world. Just like a cap that goes on it, but this will hold on your propeller. Make sure it doesn't spin off. So we're gonna make sure that we get some more of the Loctite down there and sockets over there. Let's go. This cone will pretty mainly affect itself, but now I get probably will. You know, if I had to get this over. Coming in here, trying to get a hold of this castle nut and flip this castle nut, the wings on the castle nut over. You only want to flip over 3, one on each side, or well, there's 6 total. You want to flip over 3. That's not going to work this way. I'm going to do it this way. And then tap it down. And I'm up here.
Okay.
Seals are changed, gaskets are changed, and everything is hopefully gonna hold. Now, we were gonna pressure test it. I don't think the gentleman's gonna show up with his pressure tester in time. We have to get put in the water, and then we have to get out of here by 3 o'clock. That's high tide, and within the 2 hours after high tide, that's the point where the water goes down the most. So if we leave at 3:45, we're gonna end up touching bottom on the way out of here. So we have to be put back in the water, and we have to be skipping across to get to an anchorage just a little deeper so that we're not bottoming out. So I'm in a bit of a rush trying to get this stuff done. But we have a keel that we still got to seal. Over here, it's got a pinhole in it, and you definitely don't want water in your keel, because then it slows you down. You create drag, and it's just not good for it. It'll ruin it. So I'll show you guys that. So you're probably not going to be able to see it very well. I'm going to see if I can't get an angle. There's a oh, that's even worse than I thought it was. Wow. Wow.
That tire's gonna go right up off the thing.
So, we're not going to be able to leave until about 6:37 is the highest tide. And as you can see, all around us is the bottom until you get to the dugout channel. But that channel is way, way, way low. I mean, you could see the bottom here, here. So you come over here, and even here, you can see the bottom there. Until you get past this ladder, and hopefully you can see it. Right there is about where the dig out stops. So anything on this side is deep enough for the cat, anything on this side is not, until that time frame. And now they're lowering her down in the water for the first time in 2 weeks almost, well, a week and a half. Back in the water. Now we just gotta wait for that tide to come up just a little bit. It's not near as low as it was, but it's still too low. We have about an hour and a half, almost 2 hours And then we're able to get her on out. Don't forget to go online and check out our website. We now have a merch line on there if you want to get some merchandise. We also have our Patreon account. If you want to become a premium patron and get merchandise that way and a bunch of exclusive content, hit us up there.